Ke makerehia ngā taia pā o te matuku o te awangawanga. He marae mo te katoa. When the barriers that people have fall to the side, and sadly, even though Rua Moko was at the front, they realise we're just like them. We care for the heart of the person, irrelevant of where you come from or who you are.
When the earthquake happened, we had 100 students on the marae. We were due to go into lunch and all of the food just going, all the kai just all over the floor. And the experience was that all of the students felt this thing that they needed to get in and help.
The kaupapa behind the marae is to manaki, is to be a centre point for whānau to feel sheltered so that they know that they're embraced within not only tikanga Māori but aroha, ki te tangata.
We had 50,000 people in the middle of the city and a lot of them walking this way to have to try to get home. So they knew the marae was here and they were calling in to just see if they could use the wharepaku, for example, or in an emotional state where they just felt they wanted to sit a while here.
Well, what we know from the earthquakes in Christchurch, that under great stress and significant natural hazards, our marae are often the focal point for community to come to when they've got nowhere else.
There was food being dropped off, lots and lots of kai that had to be got out to the community. There were briefings so that there was collaboration, so that everybody was kept up to speed with what was happening. To ensure that that manaakitanga flowed through for everyone on the marae was probably the most important thing for me.
You can't ask them to come and work and open the door if we haven't made sure that their own whānau are okay. Because if that's not taken care of, they can't take care of the well-being of others. If we were to reinforce and ensure the marae is open and available for emergencies in the future, we need to make sure that the whare and the marae is structurally safe for whānau to come back to. The second piece to that is ensuring that if they come back, that we can feed them.
It's really important for marae to have a preparedness plan and also be a part of a civil defence response so that they can continue to be that, but also upgrade their marae to be ready as well.
If I think about resiliency and preparedness for the future, the most important piece to that are the whānau, because they're the most important resource.
Rehua Marae was founded on some very strong principles of manaakitanga and is a leading light for many marae who know that they could be so much more for the community. I think it's up to the community, local government, central government to ensure that we continue to invest in the life of a marae in whatever way that we can, because they're there when we need them most.